Hello and welcome back to your own channel, Indian Defense Analysis, where we bring you all the latest developments happening in the defense sector. Hello viewers, we have seen the latest milestone achieved by India in developing indigenously built IAC Vikrant. Now we know that India have the capability and technology to build aircraft carrier. India can build third aircraft carrier. However, third aircraft carrier is always debatable in India. Some defense experts favor the aircraft carrier and some favor nuclear attack submarine in place of aircraft carrier. Both have their own reasons and we completely agree with both the issues. But these issues should not hamper the national security of our nation. Indian Navy has always been vocal about requirement of third aircraft carrier and they are better experts on that. We already know that India will have its third aircraft carrier which will be named as INS Vishal. For now, Indian Navy had chosen 6 nuclear-powered submarines over third aircraft carrier. The decision was taken citing the limited defense budget. As per the latest update, Indian Navy is confident of a positive response from the government on its demand for a third aircraft carrier. But this aircraft carrier will be entirely different from INS Vishal. The warship will be designed to accommodate fighter jets and unmanned aerial vehicles. This warship will be small in size and its overall weight will bring down from 65,000 tons, which was previously decided for INS Vishal. The warship may see many changes over what was decided for INS Vishal because this project is under discussion and we will see some positive news in near future. The reduction in the weight of warship is wise decision for Navy as they are opting out for the low budget aircraft carrier. Just for an estimate, if Vishal is allowed to fructify, its total cost including 55 F-18 or Rafale aircraft will cost between 16 to 17 billion dollars, which is approximately 30% of India's total defense budget. So cost is a big factor. Now, if we have a big ambition of becoming a superpower and you are the 5th largest economy in the world, then you should be able to manage third aircraft carrier. Aircraft carrier is not just a lethal weapon but also a symbol of power projection. The third aircraft carrier project is said to be included in the modified 15 years Maritime Capability Perspective Plan of the Indian Navy. Now, Indian Navy is modifying the MCPP for time-consuming projects. Also, Indian Navy wants to align MCPP with the 10 years Integrated Capability Development Plan. Integrated Capability Development Plan is something which ensures a tri-services approach in meeting future security challenges. The Department of Military Affairs is working on these plans. This was today's update. Please let us know what is your view about these in comment section. Feel free to post your comment and suggestions on any topic related to defense sector. We will soon come back with more interesting and amazing development happening in the defense sector. Thank you. Jai Hind.